Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger code email on your phone. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger code email, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about Messenger. And you click here. You will go to Messenger. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.